Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you in ASP.NET using Bootstrap how to create a login page with profile image. See, here we got the new output. We got the image rounded, text username and password login. Before the login page looks like this way. Now here we have added some code here. When I enter Charan, the user profile image will be displayed here. Charan, when I click tab, see here the username Charan image is displayed on the image control. If I enter other than Charan 567, it displaying the default avatar image. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I have created a new web form which is the image login page.aspx page. And notice in this source code contains a simple HTML5 code with some header tags h1, h2 and one horizontal line. Before creating the designing part, let's check the output on the browser how it looks. Google Chrome, and here we got the output of that code which contains the header tags and one horizontal line. Now I'm creating a login form page using Bootstrap with profile image, just look like a Gmail login page. Let's visit the getbootstrap.com website. We'll add the Bootstrap CSS and JS files. Getbootstrap.com. The Bootstrap, the current latest version is the 4.1.0. Get started. And here are the CSS and JS CDN links. The first I'm copying the CSS CDN link of Bootstrap. Let's stop debugging. I'm adding between the header section. Again, switch back to the getbootstrap.com website. We'll add the JS CDN links. Copied, and I'm pasting here. Now I can able to access the Bootstrap classes. In the horizontal line, div class is equals to card, and the width of this div is style width 300 pixels. Now in this div class I am adding ASP.NET controls, image control and two text box controls, one for the username and second one for the password, and last the button control for login. Toolbox, image control. I'm adding here div class is equals to card, it's a body, toolbox, text box control, second text box control, and the last one is the button control. Let's add the properties for these controls. The image URL is equals to, in the images folder the avatar is a default image and the login page opens. CSS class, I'm adding some Bootstrap classes to this image control, profile, image, card, and I want to display the image in a rounded circle. Next, in the text box I'm changing the text box ID, text username uname, CSS class, I'm adding Bootstrap classes here, form, control, placeholder, enter username. Let's copy this. The same properties I'm adding to the password also, and changing the password ID password. After the text box control, I'm adding the horizontal line. The button control text is a login. Button ID is a submit. And I'm adding CSS classes. Bootstrap class for the button control. Button large LG. Button primary. Button block. And button sign in. And here the placeholder, it's not username, it's a password. That's it. Let's check the results on the browser. Google Chrome. And here we got the output of that code. The profile image, enter username and password, one button control login. I want to change the height and width, and we have added the rounded circle of the image. Let's switch back to the source code. We'll fix this one. Stop debugging. The rounded circle, CIRCLE. And I want to set the image height and width. I'm adding style sheet dot image height and width HW, padding top 20 pixels, height 150 pixels, and width 170 pixels. Let's add this style class in the image control. Now we'll write some little code. If the username is valid, I want to display the profile image of that user. Switch to the design mode and text username, double click that one, and here we got the text change event. Here I'm adding some if condition. If text username dot text is equals to, between double quotes I'm adding the username is Charan, image1 dot image URL is equals to, between double quotes I'm adding the URL path, which is let's copy this. Instead of avatar, I'm adding Charan. This image, Charan, it's JPG. Else, if the username is invalid, it displays the default image, which is the avatar. Image1 dot image URL is equals to this one. And the event is a text changes, so we need to add auto post back is equals to true. That's it, we have done. Let's check the results on the Google Chrome. See, here we got the new output. We got the image rounded, text username and password login. Before the login page looks like this way. Now here we have added some code here. When I enter Charan, the user profile image will be displayed here. Charan, when I click tab, See here, the username Charan image is displayed on the image control. If I enter other than Charan 567, it displaying the default avatar image. In my next video, I will show you how to fetch the user profile image on this login image control from database. That's it.